Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two app builder website, which is Glide and Adalo. So in this video we're going to quickly review the pros, the cons about this website to help you make an informed decision on which of these app builder can be a game changer for you. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about the Glide AI is perfect for beginner who wants to turn spreadsheet into working app very fast. It's smooth, simple, and great for quick internal tools, but it's limited in customization and not the best for scaling big public app. On the other hand, Adalo gives more freedom from design flexibility to app store publishing. It's more powerful but harder to learn, and also it can slow down with complex projects. So if you want speed and simplicity, you can easily pick the Glide AI website builder for that. Or if you want control on native app power, Adalo wins in that aspect. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.